Well, well, well. Little bit of scuffulation. I've just sanded all the sharp bits off with a DA, as you do. I found these Pro Taper grips on the internet. £2 a pair from China. I mean, how much are we getting ripped off for these in the UK? Eh? £2 a pair. Deary, deary me. So, damage wise, I bent 2 teeth on the foot peg. I scuffed up the handguard a bit. Caught the end of the lever with a bit around the headlight. Now I'm having trouble bending down at the moment because that's causing me a bit of discomfort. I did hit a tree log when I was doing a mountain run and bent this foot peg, bent this gear lever, oh god, I am not doing another take, alright, this thing, I bent this thing here, out round there you go, and I've just straightened it, but I noticed all the way back the brake wasn't operating very well. Let me see if I can stop the camera shaking. The weld's completely snapped off. So the lever can fall off. The lever can fall off at any time. So I suppose we better try and get that repaired before my new Chinese armour arrives and I can get back out in the dirt. So talking of armour, which I wasn't, but I might as well now. I've completely misplaced it. Anyway, I've chopped up what's left of the Chinese armour and kind of reconfigured it. I don't even know where it's gone. There it is. It's all going to need stitching and sewing so I can make some made to fit armour instead of armour that kind of touches here and there and falls off. That way I can wear it everywhere without it getting snagged up in trees and stuff and all epoxy elastic breaking after a week. So there you go, that's about all we're getting up to at the moment. See you all later. As if you're still subscribed. Oh Wit, if you're watching this, did you pick my message up? I saw your notification saying it's a jungle out there, but when I went to the actual video to reply to the comment's not there. More of Susan's games. Later then.